Once the beef has been nicely sauteed with the garlic, you're going to go on and add in a few of the ingredients. You're going to add in the beef stock, okay? That's the stock, the vegetable stock or the beef stock that you've done already, the 6 cups of. Add that to it, okay? You're going to add in your 1 glass of Guinness. The other rest of the can you can drink yourself. You're going to add in 1 glass of red wine. You can drink that yourself as well. Okay, the tomato paste normally comes in a very small tin. It says 2 tablespoons of that, which is literally about the amount that goes into that tiny little tin. So throw all of that inside there. After that, you can put in some sugar, the 1 tablespoon of sugar, the dried thyme, the Worcester sauce if you had any. I didn't, so I didn't put any in. And then I added 2 dry bay leaves just to help with the flavor there. Stir all of that up, bring it up to a nice little boil. Once it's boiling, adjust the heat down, just put it to a medium heat. The flame, I'm using a gas stove here, if you're using an electric stove, bring it down to a medium heat, let that simmer. Simmer doesn't mean boil. Boil is when everything's jumping on the top, okay? Simmer means when it's just got 1 or 2 little bubbles coming up the top, very slow. You're looking at quite a few bubbles per second, so just maybe 1 or 2 in a second. Alright, not blah 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 blah, that's boiling. That's going to ruin your meat. Leave that for about 1 hour because you want that meat to be now cooked thoroughly. It's been browned, it means it's still raw on the inside. Let it cook thoroughly and let that cook for 1 hour. Stir it occasionally just to get the meat off the bottom so that the bottom of the pan doesn't burn anything. And we'll see you in method 2.